The way you feel right now is the way you will feel in the future. This occurs due to the vibrational nature of the universe. The way you feel is an indicator of your current vibrational frequency, and it is your point of attraction. Thus you attract vibrational frequencies, thoughts and experiences that match the vibrational frequency you are vibrating at in the present moment. As a result, the life experiences you will encounter in the future will match the way you feel in the present moment. For the vibrational frequency your future experiences will be vibrating at must match your point of attraction, the vibrational frequency you are currently vibrating at. For this reason, if you wish to improve your life, it is of the utmost importance that you find a way to feel better. Every step you make towards feeling better will ultimately improve the experiences you attract into your life. For as you change the way you feel, your vibrational frequency, the vibrational frequency of your life experience changes as well. If you were to remain vibrating at the present vibrational frequency you currently vibrate at, you would attract experiences that are a vibrational match to the experiences you are currently going through. In other words, if you were to remain feeling the same way you presently feel, you would attract experiences that are a vibrational match to the present experiences you are going through, experiences that would make you feel the same way you presently feel. Before you start manipulating the way you feel though, you should be aware of the fact that there are an infinite number of vibrational frequencies that are higher, faster, and purer than the vibrational frequency you are currently vibrating at. Thus, there is no limit to the amount of accomplishments or the type of experiences you can encounter in the future. If you would like to improve the experiences you attract into your life going into the future, you just have to adjust your focus. You can adjust your focus by changing what you give your attention to as you look at the world around you. For example, rather than giving your attention to a subject you currently give a lot of attention to, you can adjust your focus by giving your attention to another subject present in your everyday life. You can also adjust the vibrational frequency you vibrate at by changing the thoughts you think on a regular basis. Rather than mulling over the same old thoughts you think each and every day, you can change your focus by developing new thoughts within your mind. As you adjust your focus as you look at the world around you, and as you adjust your focus by changing the thoughts you think, you will change the way you feel, the vibrational frequency you are vibrating at, and thus change the vibrational frequency of the experiences you attract into your life.